Naitwa Mohamed Farah Argamso. Mimi ni mgombea kiti cha ubunge approach ukule ground.
Jubilee party is prepared to go to the next general elections. You know, we have a candidate, His Excellency Okengo Matiang'i, who is our presidential candidate. And what we have now come up with, especially coming up or as a resolve from the NEC meeting that we had yesterday for the last 2 days, it was a roadmap we have come up with, that we have come with a work plan for the next 1 year.
I like to clearly state the position of Jubilee as far as what is going on in this country is concerned. We are a party of peace. We are a party that respects dignity. We are a party that believes the Kenyan people should not be divided by political ideologies or political party affiliations.